You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Having you in my life alone lightens my mood. Can't think of anything better if not you being in my life. Give me the chance to bring myself into your life and of course prove a point to you.
Sometimes what we love is not what comes for us. Then what we choose to accept in our life, that's it. I'm so happy I met you. You really changed my life. You really made me happy. All I can ever say to you is thank you.
Hey! What's that? Madam! What do you want to do? You want kiss her?
What are you?
You want to use your mouth for her man? You want kiss her for film?
We are acting. Can't you see camera?
Hey! No lie, not be any acting. You want kiss her?
No now. What is wrong with you? What are you doing here?
You want kiss my husband for film? Director, no vex. This is my husband. He marry me for village, for shrine, for church, for altar, everywhere marry me. See the ring, 2 ring.
This is film.
Wait, they talk. No, they talk. He marry me 2 times. Everywhere don't marry me. See ring, 2 ring. They my finger. He don't marry me. If you want me person want for film, call me for phone or call kiss her for film. He tell me say na computer.
Stop.
Wait, make I tell her. He tell me say na computer. They join her for film. Say you go they do magic. So you sabi do magic for film. No, you do the magic. Do magic. Now you go kiss everybody wait this country. I know they hear. I know go hear.
She's a wife. I'm going to solve this.
No.
Come here.
And after we go tell everything for here. We go tell everything. Why you lie to me?
Guys, please don't record this. Don't record this.
Record everything.
Stop.
No, I know they go anywhere.
Let's go first.
So just calm down. Let's track it down, please. So, I'll handle it. Yeah? Just track it down. Come here. Mr. Flash.
She won't kiss you. Don't talk anything now. She won't kiss you. She won't kiss you. They do what they do.
You didn't disgrace me for here now.
What's going on?
Don't worry. It was a family matter. We'll sort it out, please. Just give me 1 minute.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's a family matter.
Let me talk to my phone.
Okay, please just talk to them. Okay. What is wrong with you? Look at what you're doing now. It's not nice.
What I do?
It's a movie set. It's a movie set.
Which nonsense movie set? You know, I don't know say be actor before they marry you. You know, you tell me say for film na computer they join man for film say na magic.
You don't really talk this thing where they talk.
You tell me say na magic.
They talk am. I don't know where me and you just talk that one.
See that one now you want kiss her for film. When me be I be your wife. Why you not come me say I don't kiss you? Anything when they want me to kiss, but they for come here I can't kiss you for the film.
Okay, no wahala. Make I carry you go house. Yeah?
No, they go house. Now wait till go tell me now say go back go the kiss her.
We
no go. We won't go back go the kiss her. Go there they watch you. I want there they watch you. Man they watch you. You go say go they do go they watch you.
No one else can take your place.
That is good. I like the way you stop the process. If not like that, you lose your man. Me, I cannot even follow an actor. Let me not just even say all the things in my mind.
Hey, but you say you won't tell me. Tell me, you don't come now. Just tell me
Don't be waiting that they talk for mouth. Hey. If you're not careful, they will just take your man. I know men now, they don't feel resist fine girls and all these girls we do big breast, big bum yakata everywhere.
Talk again.
You know they see all these actresses for TV? You know they watch TV? Ha!
No, I see them. Wait, so you mean say my husband, in the day where all those girls where they get big breasts and big nyash, they?
If you see the kind silicone, this people they add for bum, maybe you think go do like this. How your man feel resist them? You need to be following him bumper to bumper. Hey.
No verse, Sanasi. Wait, you mean say they collect other people bumbo? Act for their own.
I don't know. But I know say girl things where they mix, they go mix them like cement. Bam! You think go constant like this. Now why they tell you? All these things why they tell you na sisterly advice. I'm just looking out for you.
No verse, my husband in the day where all these bum people where don't full full and where in the day where they
in the day. Now why you need you guys buckle up. If not, you don't lose your man.
No talk. I carry you come my house, say make you tell me wetin go help me.
My sister.
Nobody go collect my man. They no go try am. This my husband. I know where I foresee am. I do like this before I see this man. You sure me say they go collect am for me? What those girls? They go collect bonbon. Ask for their own.
My own be say I no fit follow all these actors. Like God forbid, I no fit.
Again, where we go fit go see this bonbon where I go fit act for my own.
You don't need the thing they get consequences. You don't need, what you need to now, hold your man like spaghetti like this.
I dey hold am. I dey follow am go anywhere wey him go. I dey follow am. If him breathe out, I breathe in. If I breathe out, he breathe in. Me and Nana shadow to shadow with the battle. I no feel leave am.
Hey. Oh my God, I have this very important appointment. Girl, I have to go.
No go now. I won't cook food. For the cook for me, for the give me the whole gist.
Don't worry, I'll come next time. Yeah? Just all this is why I tell you, put them into practice. Like manual. They practice them. No gree. No gree make person call your husband though. No gree. Don't worry. All this advice why I give you, just put them into action.
No verse. You said then they put bomb. Then they act the bomb for the one way God don't give.
Come, make you walk me come on, but you don't do.
I don't first, my bomb big. I forgot hard though. I don't say. You know, say now you they tell me everything what I did.
I beg they call me.
No go now, sister. Eh?
Listen, I've told you you are an actor and a public figure. They no fit they see us for public places. Yes, even if anyone can see us, it will be at night. Then you have to wait now till it's night. Huh? You can't wait. On that note, if you cannot wait, you have to go to the hotel first and I join you.
You won't bite me. This is the talk. Hi, my husband.
My love.
You don't come back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How are you?
I did okay.
Huh? I see you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, I did watch this children TV.
It be me make up be you. Just relax for house, they watch TV. Eh?
How for action today? Action way?
We did well. Just that the sun today. And I shot my mostly road scenes, so it was just serious sun. No, maybe small sun outside though. Okay. How was your day now?
No, they okay.
Waiting.
Why your mouth dey fresh? I hope say no kiss anybody for work.
Chumbi, why my mouth dey fresh? I don't kiss anybody now. Where's that one coming from? You don't start.
You hug anybody for work?
I hug person now.
You hug person?
No, I say I hug.
Who you hug?
My mama for the film. I hugged my
mama. She old where abi?
Yes, she old well.
Okay. Ayana, go upstairs, go change my for me your food may eat, yeah? Okay.
Because I see the kind of room why they perceive. Say my wife don't do them again. My wife has made that. I'm coming.
My husband, no verse.
What's it?
What's with this one? Why they see for your clothes? Hey!
What's it?
Maybe woman powder be this.
Oh, nah, my makeup artist don't stain.
I thought you woman powder there for your clothes. Woman, hey, go.
I said the makeup artist was putting powder mistakenly dropped powder.
No, they lie. You see woman powder. Let me say you don't pack women for work today. You don't pack women.
Which can be this one now? What are you saying? I said it's the makeup artist.
They lie to me. Now woman powder there for your clothes. See everywhere.
Can you stop and listen to me?
This one, get binyash. This powder and yash come out. Now me say the woman will pack get binyash. And they see.
Are you okay?
You got to be this. See your clothes.
Are you okay? Listen to me, I said it's the makeup artist that mistakenly dropped powder there.
No, you dey lie. You don't lie, you dey lie. Now woman powder be this. Now you tell this thing. You tell me say you go see me this thing. Now this you don't carry women. You don't carry women when you get big news. She see that powder for your clothes. Now let's tell you this thing.
Can you listen to me?
Now you dey tell this thing. They tell me say you go see me this thing. Now see what they do. You dey fuck women.
God. What did I sign off for? There'll be a problem tonight. How do I even convince her that this is just me? Honey? Honey? What is it now? Huh? I just told you it's the makeup artist. He was rubbing powder. Blessing and me even use my hand doing like this. Why you do me like this now? I had a long day. I suppose they rest now. I can't find you up and down like this. Why they frustrate me now? I'm sorry. You're making me apologize even when I'm innocent. Is it good?
Innocent, you innocent, you. No be only innocent, for say you dey two-faced and risky Davido and Burna Boy with Jovian Kosi. They say you dey innocent. We go be two-faced. They pack women, they go up, they pack women, they come down. Only you go, they pack women, go up, pack women, come down. You go forget so you get my friend there for us. You go, they carry women, where don't go.
Wait till you did.
Just never don't go put big yash for their yash. Say they go. Say they make me they go now. They go, I mean. But I go they pack all those women. They pack those women. They come. They pack them. They come. They pack them. They come. You go they pack women. You go pack women. I go pack women. You pack women. They go.
Are you still angry with me? Mancha. Celebrity wife. I bought you milkshake. See speed where you use turn when you hear milkshake.
Welcome, my husband.
Because milkshake don't dey involved, abi? They use and swear for you.
You know sir, they like her. They call and say brain shake. Because if they enter my brain, they shake my brain. Maybe me shake they call her.
Okay, brain shake, milkshake. Dey your hand now. See the best for me.
No, the verse. No, not me say you go they do bad things, they misbehave. You go they buy me shake, they come back, they give me. If you they misbehave, they buy me shake, no go they sweet.
Cannot go misbehave again.
You sure?
Yeah. Make I.
Now only one you buy.
Now one now.
No say one no they do me, now like 5 they do me.
Okay, now true. Like 21, abi. I bet link something.
I'm gonna make them 30 if you want me they 30. Thank you, yeah. This one you buy for Z word. I know they are Z word in this meat.
Honey? Honey?
Abba!
I'm ready.
You not ready?
Yes, ma'am.
This your clothes fine though.
Hey! Thank you.
Fine man.
Thanks.
Says you just fine, only you find like 30 people.
I'm glad you like it.
If you don't say me marry you for the vessel. You too fine. I don't they go.
Yeah.
No go too fast now. You don't eat your breakfast, have you?
Yes, I like it. Thank you.
No, make I for up you so that if you go hug another woman, you know say you hug another woman. Oh yeah, more good my leave for more.
No need now. I'm
Fine
just
man, just you fine, only you. My celebrity husband. You go have somewhere where today.
Oh my God. I've told you to stop calling me all the time. I'm a busy girl. Like right now, I'm on set. I'm on this cinema project with Genevieve and Ramsey, and you're calling my phone. Why? Oh my God. Stop calling me. Text. Only text. I'm always busy. Okay, Genevieve, I'm coming. Oh, please, bye. Bye. Hey! My friend Fine, my friend.
Hey.
How are you?
I do. Welcome. I said make I do small clean up for kitchen. You don't come.
No problem.
Welcome. Yeah.
So, how is your actor husband? It's obvious he has gone to work, right?
I did tell you don't go do action.
My sister. You see, women suffer a lot in the name of marriage. Women, they suffer. You see all these actors? You see what they do now? They could just carry their side chick, we do nyash, we do breast, go rent big house for them. Not believe that one, no. They go buy big car, carry them, they go Obodo Ibo. Anyhow, today Paris, London, they go just travel. They go all leave their wife for house. Their wife, you could just leave their wife like normal girl.
Hell, you know good though. But Sister Nancy, no vex. This evil agenda we just tell me now. You sure say my husband follow for the thing?
All of them follow for the thing. This acting thing, they like group something now. Once one person starts one nonsense, all of them go follow suit. You don't need check whether it's right or wrong. All of them the same thing. They carry big nyash, big bread, anything.
No verse. You say my husband follow for this. He dey for the people they carry these women.
He follow now. He follow. See my sister. He get waiting will happen for my compound. Hey, they say the girl they do content creating. We can't say the girl they drive Range Rover. If you see an apartment, the thing set past all the house with their compound. We can't they happy for the girl. Thing saying a content she they do. We no say na one actor they call Emmy. Forget his name. One actor we don't marry. He rent the house for the girl. Furnish the house. Buy the girl Range Rover.
He marry.
Married actor.
He get wife like me.
He get wife. Now so the girl come dey buga for compound. All of us say we dey follow her because she dey give us food at times. Now so one day wife come bust the girl. Beat the girl blue black. The wife just dey fly bottle for compound. Small thing make my head break. If no be say I touch. Now I come know this thing why they tell you now. If you see the girl do nyash, do bomb like this. Can't say na woman be where they do content create. No say na lotion.
This thing why they tell you since. Say me if I carry me go and they do this bomb. I won't do bomb. I won't put them. You say my husband follow for this thing. Nancy, I am carry me where they go. They do the bomb. Now I forgot do the bomb.
Better you be my sister. No one make you do bomb.
No, I won't put the nyash. Me
the thing they decay. You won't make the thing decay later. No be now. After years, the thing go begin decay. They come on water. I no want make that thing happen to you because of what you go do. Be all this is why they tell you all this thing. You go write them like manual. They follow my instruction. You don't need doing that, Shabeg. I no want make you die. The only thing you go do now, you go they follow your husband bomber to bomber. No give am space. Any chance when you get attack. No give am space. No space because any space, you don't follow big bomber. Yeah.
I go they follow him. I they follow him as they tell me I they follow him. Any see what tell me I they do. I they do him.
That Nash one, no think I'm a beg, no reason I'm a beg. Now because I like you, be my sister. I no go give you bad advice. I dey look out for you. Now as sisters they do now.
Nancy, this thing now, not just I don't enter one chance. Na love, now you make me marry this man, oh. I know this man now. I just carry my whole self, give her. Me no go dey carry out with my power side, oh.
Ebere, you see they ask if you don't enter one chance. Or more, you don't pass your junction.
Hell.
The only help why I feel render to you now to they pray for you. Praying and fasting. This NSPPD thing where they do now to they pray for you. Because if not for one chance, you don't enter.
Na love, now you carry me come here. Na love, I don't know say my husband. You say they do this thing.
You won't cry.
Na to cry now. Be make I come out close for you know say they pay me. They pay me now.
No
be my action husband where I dey preserve now. They tell me say they carry my way down do bomb. Carry me go there. I won't do this bomb.
No cry.
They pay me. I won't do the bomb. May for decay. I no care. I won't do it.
You won't make your bomb decay.
I won't keep my husband for my husband. I won't make the girls go they carry that women.
Are you okay? How did you go to my house when you know I'm not around? To do what there? Are you supposed to go there when I'm not around? You know what? I'm sorry. That's wrong. That's very, very wrong. Huh? How can you go to my house knowing full well that I'm not in? I said I'm sorry.
Cut it, next thing.
My guy. That was a nice one, my guy.
They'll think that it's being serious. It's the way you're just saying, I'm sorry.
Normally, now you go make a make
Yeah,
serious.
I think you should relocate here now. There's no point you, since you're always working here, why not relocate here?
My guy, I've been thinking towards that. Oh, I don't really work on them, but very soon I go run am. Very soon.
You need to.
See how they add up. How is married life treating you, my guy?
But married life is sweet. Oh, you should get married now. Married life. So just say my wife is yet to get used to the fact that I'm an actor. You know, all this make believe is yet to get used to that. But
Normally, that's what we face. Actors, that's what we face normally. But I believe with time, you will understand. You understand that one now. It's not a problem.
Yeah, very soon. I'm not sure you understand.
May I go change for next thing?
Okay. Hello. Honey? Oh, God.
My celebrity husband.
How are you?
They show your film today, or they watch your film. I call my sister from later and say they show my husband film. Now my husband, the one where they shine, the one where they white, where they get all those beards. That film where they carry that mama, they go hospital. They tell her say, you say go bless you, go give money, say be good man. As I they clap for you,
How was your day? I mean, how was your day? Like, how? What's up?
My husband.
What's up? Because person don't hug me. What's up?
Which color is this?
Color.
This one with me.
Like green now. What's happening?
Remember this one where you wear go out for money now. Where the one where you wear?
Oh, okay. No, costume clothes. What's happening?
Costume now you wife now you. The woman where they carry now, her name be costume. You dey carry new woman, costume na her name. So you know her name.
Wetin be this? I said that costume clothes. Costume na woman wey dey give us clothes. No be. Must everything be about women?
Yes, they lie to me. Na about women. Na man before. No be women they carry. And they tell me say you go do me this thing. You at that day say they look for her. You go do me this thing.
Who dey tell you?
Na actors now. Na go they carry women. They carry women. They don't tell me all these things. They tell me. I no go stop. Na wetin they do?
Look at my eyes. You see I'm good.
I dey see your eye. I dey see your eye. You dey very very wicked. You dey very wicked. I dey see you. See devil dey use you. Devil dey use you.
I say na costume clothes.
No be
Go for inside my car. You go see the clothes wey I wear come. I was just tired to change. I had to just wear this one home. Must it be a case?
Na case. This one na case. You go carry woman. Woman don give you clothes. The clothes I give you don come out and wear her own. I be say you don't love me. 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 You don't carry another woman.
I married you because I love you.
You lie.
If I don't love you, I will not marry you. What's your problem?
You don't love
Stop.
me. You don't love me. You don't love me. They carry that woman.
Okay, you know what? Let me just call her on the phone. Let me call. So you will hear that he's a costumier that gave me the clothes.
You get a number for your phone. Hey, Atoka, they tell me this I know the hear what. Now me know the hear what. You say you get a number for your phone. So you carry clothes, carry number. Hey, you're a very wicked man. You're very wicked. You go enter heaven, my see. You not go enter heaven, very wicked man. So you get a number. Hey, I call your mama, I go get your mama everything. You're a very wicked man.
Look, I'm going to work. Why you do like this? Why you do like this? I love you. May I make her put ring on this finger? Huh? Imagine after having a stressful day at work, I'm supposed to come back and relax. My wife will be giving me... See, what's this now? I'm talking to you. It's no good. I'm already late. Eh? Malicha.
No, they touch me.
Your shakara too much.
No, they touch me.
Eh? Oh yeah, no verse. No verse. Eh? I no go dey wear person costume come again. Na my own I go dey wear. Yeah? No verse. No verse. Yeah? Huh? What you want me to buy for you if I dey come back? Say you don't dey laugh.
No, touch me.
They
like to touch me.
What you want me to buy for you? Now they go work. Yeah?
Buy brain shake for me.
Brain shake.
Milkshake.
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 Yeah, milkshake. Make you no go burn milkshake. Oh. Okay.
Carry women here. You know, be chameleon, you go dey change
waiting
clothes.
again. Shey we don't talk this thing finish again.
But I don't want me to change clothes. You know, be chameleon. Na only chameleon dey change im clothes when they go out, they come back.
Okay. No wahala. I no go dey change clothes. I go dey change clothes for you. I come back and wear my clothes come back. Shey we don settle abi?
Small.
Go inside. Here where you dey.
You never tell me say you love me.
Shey na wetin I dey talk since. I
I
love
know
you.
you well. Go talk for this year.
I love you. I love you.
Go talk for this year. Where you dey.
I love you. Yeah, come stand up. Enter inside. Eh? If get my see you here now, wait. I don't understand this thing.
I want the escort you as you dey go.
No escort. We just go inside. I dey come.
Okay.
Yeah.
We want celebrity husband. We want. You say you buy me milkshake. Milkshake. I want to smoke that they like. They like. Come on, this man. I know say never eat. Eh? Vex no allow me give her food for money. Yo, my poor husband. See me that number. Okay. My celebrity husband. Okay, call her. Yo. Oh yeah, pick now. I know say I do, but I don't give you food for money. Oh yeah, pick now. Hello? My husband, how you dey now? No, I dey fine. How you dey? Okay. You don't the action? Oh, you don't action 5? Ah, do? Oh? Okay. You don't eat something? Chewing gum no be food now. Hey, oh. Do? And you know so your work no dey easy. You go good say if you dey work, wey you dey eat. Ah, sorry. I know say you dey hungry now. I know. I know say hunger dey catch you. And just hold yourself, yeah? Just hold yourself. If you don't do the whole action now, you don't dey now, you go come back, I'll give you food, yeah? Okay. And where you dey shoot? Oh, that one wey dey for that junction where army people dey stay. Okay. That house where I follow you come that time. Okay. Okay. I just say I know if you don't eat, but I know. Oh yeah, now you just hold yourself, yeah. I'm going now, yeah. If you do action finish, me if I come in, may I hear your voice again. Okay. No go close to any woman for that place where you dey. You know say I know they like women where they come close to you. They avoid them, a very dangerous weapon. They can end your life. No, they go close to them. Oh yeah, now yeah. Take care, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not saying you like her. This kind of food you like. I'll just go now. Go surprise her. I'm not saying you like her.
Now where I cook this food?
No. I brought you from home. Come and join me.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Come and have a taste.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah. All these married men. You can't even play anymore. What are you scared of? I only said you should come and have a taste.
Come on. It's not about marriage. I just don't feel like eating.
Superstar. Okay, oh. I know you just want to behave responsible. You just want to behave. Abi no be so.
I'm okay. You know what? You got me there.
Oh yeah, now come and have a taste. I don't know. You might end up liking my food if you eat it. Eat. Fine boy. Eat now. Come and taste.
Thank you. I'm fine on your way.
I know. Just taste.
It's nice.
I told you. What did they do? What's what they do? What's in the apple here?
Nothing.
Should I give you food? You don't eat them?
No, she's like...
Abomination! No, this one is talking about me what? You don't eat her food!
What is wrong now?
You don't eat her food!
It's my colleague. I'm just like having a taste, not like I'm
Which
eating.
taste? You don't eat her food! Well, with this food now, if you don't push sham now, she go charm you, call you for me. You tell me say now your colleague. Which not just colleague? Why you dey give her food now? Your husband?
You stop.
Is she your wife?
Yes.
No, her husband, police officer. Is she your wife? Now you won't be wife before. She will level up. Level up. Who go level up? See your man, you go level up. See, they insult me. You tell me say what's my problem? If you give her the food again, you go here for me. Say as she be your tolo leg.
You're embarrassing.
I go embarrass you. Why you gonna eat her food? If you want me, she shame you.
She's my colleague.
She go charm you. I don't want hear anything.
Did you tell me you were coming here?
No be me call you say they ask you say you don't eat food. See food where I carry come for you now. You don't dey call that one food they eat. They tell me say I taste how they come. I suppose taste how they come. No be you marry me.
Bring down your voice.
I no go be my voice anything.
Like
This girl now she go shame you now. If she shame you, she go call me. She call you for me. What I can do?
Nobody's collecting anything.
She don't dey call you if no be say God help me make I come on time. They tell me
down
say
your
nobody
voice
go
first,
collect.
they
See
shoot for
food
here.
where I don't cook. They call inside they come.
Bring down your voice and they shoot for
Now so you
here.
gonna shout for me every time. You gonna shout for me. No be she dey give you food. The food where I cook we no go come eat am now. Sure you don't come back. Why they come back late? See time. Why they come back by this time?
No, time when we use finish. If to say now when I never marry self, I for just sleep for hotel. So I just stay tired here now.
You for sleep for hotel. So you follow for those actors where they carry women go hotel.
Why they like read meaning for everything at all? Why?
Now what do you talk? Now what's the meaning from what you talk? Now from your mouth they come out.
I beg, I want sleep. Don't start. Make I hug you.
No hug me. See your food for table. See your food. And now the food where I come. If I come with your level up girlfriend where they feed you. You know go eat the food.
Not bad.
Go eat the food now. She give you food, eat. If they carry women go hotel. If they carry women, they go hotel.
Sweetie banana. Sweetie banana. Got you. Milkshake.
Yeah, no.
Why you know want? Swear say you know want.
Because you know so I like milkshake, but if you buy them every day, we don't invest me.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to eat anybody food again.
And so you go to eat that food. That one now, she dey call herself say level up. She go don't level up charm, put for the food made for it.
No, nah. How you going to think that kind of thing now?
Why
Sure,
not?
I'm not the work where we do. If you carry and come, as you reach our side, you don't know. Yeah, that person ain't going to even disgrace himself.
So you go talk until they will give you charm, make you the charm.
You know possible.
She can't tell you say she be level up. Me no dey follow people we no level up.
I lie.
Say me I no be level up.
If not charm, forget them.
Why you go there, the person go dey insult your wife saying she no level up, you go dey keep quiet.
No, nah, she dey mad to talk that kind of thing. Even now, everybody get mad to talk. But na person wey no level up, na him get better husband pass am. Reason am now.
Who be that person?
No, nah, she go say person no level up, but she never marry. You don't marry.
Who get the better
Marry
husband?
rich husband.
Who get the better husband?
You nah, you don't know. See her face. Take jaw. Yeah, this one block well. So you go to take and small as you want. So just use spoon to collect that.
So you be my husband.
Now you don't say now you be my milkshake. This one na your milkshake. You na my milkshake.
Na brain shake.
Who do we have here? Mrs. Milton. How are you?
How you doing now?
I'm alright. You're welcome. See how good you look. It's been a while since the wedding.
Na God, dude. How you doing now?
I'm alright.
Now they see your face. I know you. Now you dey share chop for my wedding that time, abi? You share food well.
Nah me.
Yeah.
Nah me there everywhere. You're
But you can't
welcome.
lose weight though. You can't be like saying you dey eat again.
Our work. You know they agree us chop anything now. That's so. But we dey manage. We dey manage.
Sorry, yeah?
It's okay. I guess you're here to see him.
Yes, I can go see my husband. You know where he dey?
Yes. Go inside. Just tell them that you're here to see Milton. I think he's by the changing room. Just tell them you are his wife. They will allow you to see him.
Yeah, I'm his wife.
Just
So
tell
I know say I'm his wife.
Everybody.
That be small thing though. Now God do am for me.
Not good.
Are you saying they inside, abi?
Yes, inside there, eh?
Okay. May I go inside? If you
Alright.
do make they come outside, when they cook food, they give me, they eat. You
I
don't
go
go fit they
come.
do like this now. You go they come out. They see my husband. Everywhere just come out.
I'm telling
And they
you.
give am food. If they come out, yeah.
That's fine, eh? Oh, yeah, now.
May I go inside, yeah.
Very funny.
I don't know why you people collected my measurement, yet you brought oversized pants. What's your problem?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm actually working on it right
You're
now.
telling me sorry, just be right with your job. You're sorry. Just be fast, I don't have time.
Hey! What did they do?
What is it?
What did they do?
What are you doing here? Take it easy, there's no do here.
What did they do?
Which one? What did they do for you?
What did she do here? Why? You see your nyash outside? Cover am. What did she do here?
Cover with I wear shorts inside.
You see your nyash outside? Go outside. Who is she? What did she do?
You disgrace me. What me this now?
Nyash outside. Close her now.
Na cause to me, they help me adjust trousers where they lose.
Which trouser? Your private part there, so you tell me say trouser. Okay, close up your nyash now.
What you they do for you?
What did you do for you? You see your thing there outside. See my property there
wear
outside.
shorts inside.
Inside outside, they see my property where I me get.
Can you stop raising your voice?
I will raise my voice. Why you go come here? They open your nyash, they ask film. Which nonsense film?
Come, shey you know say they embarrass me for you. Shey you know say they embarrass me.
This is more they see your nyash. Close her, mama. Close her now. I go follow you go where they go. Close your nyash now. Because they naked. You go open your nakedness, put for outside. So they do film. Which nonsense film? You go dey naked for where that small girl dey there. In they see your nakedness. So you do film. Your nakedness just there outside like this. You go forget say you get wife for house.
I'm naked for the. I wear boxers, still wear singlets.
But see your nyash.
She
She see your nyash.
She was just helping me adjust the trouser where they tight.
You know they are just only you they lie. You know just only.
So what it is are they inside there they do?
Why una come lock door? Why you come lock door?
I no go open door make people know they come inside where they
No be when
change
they
now.
want do bad things they lock door. If you no want do bad things, why you go dey lock door? Why be say no do am with your clear conscience?
See,
You go just dey now you go open your nyash. You know if you say God wey make you see. If you say God no get sense, he say na private part. You come with your tongue, you cut on the public, they open nyash for public. They show those small girls wey
You know say this thing way they do they wrong. It dey wrong now.
They call and say actors now go dey.
I love you now. I make I marry you. I no fit cheat on you. I don't dey sing this thing like song every time.
No, you no love me anything. You lie. You shouldn't go back.
I don't love you.
You no love me anything.
See milkshake wey I buy for you. Collect. And the block where I buy am. All this tortue don't make and they melt.
Now why you go to open your nyash for outside? Now why you go to open they show that small girl? Private part wey dey see na private part, you don't put a public part, you don't put a for outside.
This thing abeg make I go bath. I no dey like all these things.
Why they give me the milkshake with the vest? And so I want drink and make the hope for my neck. If you want give me, they give me with your clear heart.
Oh yeah, take. I don't give you my clear heart. See jumbo size. Jumbo size that I buy today. See, don't they block?
Nothing be jumbo size. This one big. Now why you go to open your nyash for outside? You go to open now they buy jumbo size. I know people where they open nyash they buy jumbo size. If you want the open, if you want the no, you want the for outside.
Okay. I don't hear you.
Hi.
So.
Shake and drink. I go shake. I can't go drink. I might shake again.
So you get the day when they go work for that one action.
No be say work no day, but I mean no be accept the work will come. Make I for spend time with my room.
You do well. Oh yeah, now where would they go bedroom?
Where go do your thing for bedroom?
Which thing they always do for bedroom? That one with me and you they always do.
I will soon go. I get where they meet.
Who they meet?
Today you must get total transformation.
Now the person where they come.
Oh, she's here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Come on, see.
You carry your box. Where you carry your box?
No, calm down. Nah. Makeup artist, be.
Who won't make up? Don't make up. When you kiss your clothes that time.
No, be she.
So now you. No, where they go?
No, be she. Be
they go.
that.
No, be carry your box. They go. Now she where she kiss you that time.
No, be she. Be that.
I don't want that for my house. Where she they go? Tell her where she they go. I don't want that. Go for your house. Go your back. See. Go. That road to a come full and they go. I don't want that. No, I don't want that for this house. Make they go. They go. Carry your box. You.
No,
go. They go.
Hear you now. Listen to me. See that person we won't call. Excuse me. See who won't call make you. Come sit down. Hello, sorry.
It's fine, sir.
Sit.
No, you touch him. If you talk, no, you touch him.
Yes, sit, okay? I hope you have everything,
Yes.
the hair, everything.
No, be you put powder for your clothes that day, abi?
No, be she.
No, the same people be this.
Use your hair, everything, make the proper makeup, eh? I'll just be around. Let me allow you people.
Oh, yeah, pass. My
I'm
hands go touch.
not follow that side, don't worry.
I just want to watch you. Come and sit down.
No, you touch him.
Let's start.
Going to deal with that guy.
I don't know what's your problem. Why are you acting like this? Is it obsession or what?
Call it obsession or whatever you feel. But I am bent on spoiling that marriage. Amanda, take a good look at me. From head to toe. This guy had to leave me and go for some local low life. It's not even like it's an elegant classic babe. One nonsense girl that can't even make a complete sentence. Can you imagine?
The most important thing is that he loves her. Yes.
Really?
Yes, he loves her. You love this guy. You've showed your interest. And he said no. He's not interested in you. Why don't you let go?
So you're taking sides now.
He's one of the coolest and disciplined guy I know. He told you the truth, that he's not interested in you.
Really? Really? Take it or leave it. That guy hurts me. And he must pay. Hey.
I just hope you don't regret this. Well, please, is there food in your kitchen? I'm hungry.
Which food? Don't go to my kitchen. Go to Milton's house and eat. I'm not playing you.
You know my issue with you is that when I tell you the truth, you're always angry, but I'll keep telling you the truth.
Amanda! Amanda! Don't go to my kitchen. Selfish, stupid foodie.
But you could just tell me, say you want me to leave that. You can't do all this. No, they touch her.
Yeah, it's fine.
And your money where they use fees all this. They put all these things. Why this call? This.
You like it?
This which is where they did for all this film. My husband did. For my.
Oh, so pretty looking. See my baby, looking pretty. Wow, you did a good job.
Thank you, sir.
So forward me your bill. Okay.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right. So bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, ma.
So how do you feel? You like it?
No, I don't like it. See if they catch me. This one now Lisa, they carry this kind of hand, no be human being.
No worry, you get used to it.
They touch me for the hair. This one, now this white animal, they get this hand, no be.
But it makes you look classic. I like it.
They catch
No,
you
no.
now.
No be me you fix am for now.
They pay you.
Now make you for day fine for eyes. It's all those fine clothes I buy for you. If you wear them now, you go too fine. No? You go fine die. You fine die.
So this time I know fine now.
No be waiting at all. I say if you put those clothes now, wear them, your fine will come out where. Wow, see your fine hair.
I don't tell my husband say I don't like all this. Or just carry this put for her, come be like foul. I know sabi do anything with this hand now. Why I can't kukuma get the hand? Why I no go fit use the hand do anything? And this morning I no fit cook anything. I never cook anything. I never wash my clothes. If I won't go bath now, how I want to they wash that thing. I will just day now, not what I fit do. If I want bath, I know sabi dey bath. I will soon go say I never bath well. And this thing I go come out. I go come out the thing. If you come back, when call that get me come carry things go. I'm going to go dey waste money. See all the money where don't waste. This money, even carry money now, you go buy like 10 milkshake for me. You go dey waste money. You go waste money. They buy all this vampire hand. How these girls where they even do film take they do am? They'll carry the one where you go dey long. Now why people they do bad things? People they do bad things. And now only bad man when get bad mind go fit they carry all this kind of thing for your hand. They live life. Make come out finish. If I want bath now, I go now as I want to. Man for keep my hair. So if they come back, make they say I may go call that makeup girl, make come the carry. They do all this thing.
But my guy, you have to understand, you have a pretty wife. You have a very fine wife. With time, she will blend and she will understand everything that is going on. And she's very funny as well.
And, my wife is pretty, not that, but very troublesome.
You can imagine.
My wife. Anyway, I believe that with time, she's yet to get used to the fact that she married a celebrity. I believe with time, she will get used to it. But some of the things, she's just not having it.
Aye.
Just not having it.
You go blame her. Girl will just come from village, marry superstar, just like that. What do you expect? So many stories in her head, so she's just trying to do everything possible so that she doesn't lose her celebrity husband.
Yeah, something like that. But she's not losing anybody. She's not losing anybody. It's well.
My guy, how far now? How far? Why they do like this? Why they do? Contract who they pursue, who they work on? How far?
But now your hand is there now.
I don't call you since. Tell you say they say make we choose dates for the appointment.
Oh, the appointment date, Abi?
Yes, now.
No, make we do on this Sunday now.
How are we going to do it this Sunday? Today is already Friday. We need to go for the photo shoot.
Yeah, not true.
So maybe we'll just do the photo shoot on Sunday and maybe within midweek or thereabout, we can just go for the appointment.
And I may we'll do photo shoot first this Sunday. Then we'll plan when next we'll go random.
Okay, still fine. So Sunday sealed photo shoot.
No while now Sunday. I didn't
I beg, no run am.
No say me I not go stay long like that. So. Suppose they push small time, eh?
Now married man. You gonna push that. May your wife no go dey think say you don't do one or two. Life of an actor. No wahala now, we will still dey single. If you push, I fit still dey small before I go push.
No wahala, everywhere good.
Alright.
Everywhere good. Hi.
My celebrity husband.
My baby, oh, my baby. Oh.
You don't come back.
Yes. Wetin do your nails? Huh? Wetin do your nails now? You comot am?
No, na very long story.
Start from anywhere.
But if I won't talk now, Jesus Christ go come before.
Just start from anywhere. Wetin do your nails? Why you comot am?
He no allow me do anything. If I want cook, see the time why they finish cook food. The thing no dey agree. Dead come food for the thing. You don't really say if I want wash now, I want wash my thing.
So
I go take wash am.
So you mean the nails I just spent 50,000 on? Just a few hours ago, you took it off.
50 what? Abeg no vex, call her, make she come back. The nails dey there, I keep her for there. Make she come collect her nails.
It's okay, please, excuse me.
My husband, call am.
Excuse me.
50,000, now wetin you spend?
It's fine. Ah! Wow.
Oya, come eat now, food don ready. 50,000, so. My husband. If I put my head, you go pay me. I put my head, you go pay me. I won't take sleep this thing. Hey. Go put on. I'm back for the sleep. They scratch. All those my film people where they carry all those there. Hey. Je vais à la mèche, je nous pousse. Je suis en train de sleep now. Which kind of nonsense? Not those girls now, why they do bad things for fame? Then they go follow people husband say they act fame. Because the only bad people wey they do bad things, they figure out these things. Yeah. They enter. They feel I just cut everything. My husband he go carry all those guests wey dey do all those witches and wizards. Oh, hey. I don't tire. Too long. How they take the breathe?
are you doing? Huh? Jesus. What's the meaning of this?
You know, gree me sleep. If I won't go left, he go they follow me. I won't come back, he go they follow me, they go right. He they follow me everywhere. I know they like her, he they touch me, he they scratch me. I know feel.
But you could have told me now, or at least waited till morning. I'll take it to the salon that will trim it well. Instead of cutting it like this.
See,
They said it's 400,000 that she's charged me for it, and now you destroyed it.
See, they raise your voice now, they shout for me. Now me the cause, not be this, and I'm the cause. Why ain't they touch me? If I want to, now they follow me. If I want go, they follow me. I don't want men they follow me. They shout for her, now they do, and maybe me they do, and they shout for her. Now hope your mouth they talk down.
I wasted. So you mean I just wasted 450,000 today, just like that? Your hair, your nails, just like that?
Now you like to the waste money, no go they ask person. So say if for life you want to do something, make they ask people. Why not ask the person where they carry her? Now they carry her. This your hair, now maybe God ask you before they give you. You can give you without your consent. Why you won't give me hair? No ask me say if I want the hair. We just carry hair they put for my. I don't want her. Make the sharp for her. Now they cause her. Maybe me they cause her. I don't feel sleep. I don't feel do anything. Foul hand don't go now. This one don't come in home.
See the fine bubble, where God give me my celebrity husband. Anywhere he enter, I still follow. My celebrity husband. Me, I go shine my eyes. My celebrity husband. If I no shine, I'm all I guess go collect my celebrity husband.
If you are not comfortable with something, say it. You can't come and be pretending and die. For what now? Let me tell you, your husband is obviously cheating on you. That's why he wants you to be dressing like all these actresses.
And I talk I talk this thing. Nobody they believe me. And I thought say he go they cheat because he don't change you. Not like this people will marry. He don't change.
Ebere, you are too quiet for my liking. You too quiet. You suppose no dey gree for anybody.
No beside they quiet. I too love him. I love him, eh? As I take love, I know they know as they do me for body. If you talk one thing now, my body will just they calm down like this. I'll just forget the bad things where they do me. If you do me bad thing now, before you know, I don't forget all the bad things where they do me. And because I love him.
Chai, you see? You suppose they follow that your husband, they go location by now. You suppose go that location, they scatter everywhere. At least that location, they suppose don't know you as area scatter mama. If you go come, everybody go say, hey, well, area scatter mama don't come. Everybody go stay put. But now you can't there, they waste your time.
Hey, Sister Nancy, this thing we talking about na true. Yes, because you don't take why they go location. You don't take why God. Don't even they waka they go. I suppose they follow him.
You suppose they follow him. See. Hey. You get one advice I will give you for free now. And if you do this thing while they tell you, it will work. Listen very carefully. If that your husband come back, no greet him. What did I talk?
Say man, no greet him. I no go greet him.
Good. No greet him. No cook anything for this house. Make you no come here, they perceive one aroma. Make you no perceive anything, no cook. No cook. If you come back, give him attitude. Burn your face like this, like stone. If you go say you know the laugh, give him. You no cook, you no greet him. Ha! You go change one hand.
Sister Nancy, so make I not cook for him.
No cook anything.
I no go fit do that one. Now my husband, now he marry me, put for your suppose to cook for him.
Okay.
If you go outside, another woman go cook, give him food, you no go come back.
This is why they tell you now. You want make your husband they follow big nash and big breast.
Oh yeah, I go hold myself. I go just pull myself together, tie myself, man, I no for cook. Even they tell me say they hungry, I no go cook, I go hold myself.
That time you go come change. You know, say you know they laugh, give them again. You go change.
Make I no laugh.
No laugh, no greet them. All these men, no, they all this now because you know they follow my instructions. All these things for don't stop.
I no go greet them, so that's when you go buy brain shake for me.
Eh?
I support this one with tongue. Then you go buy brain shake. When I no greet them.
Brain shake.
That's how they always do.
Wetin be brain shake?
That one wey dey sweet for brain now. If you dey drink, I go dey sweet for your brain. That na milkshake. Na me dey call am say brain shake.
Na me shake you dey call brain shake.
They shake brain when they sweet.
Eh.
Yeah, I beg. You go help me come out this thing. They pay me everywhere. I know they feel sleep. Pull and come out.
Chai. Hey. Chimo.
What's happened?
Wait! You cut the bone straight like this?
I cut am. No be what I tell you. You know, give me sleep. Cut am.
Bere, you for no cut this thing, no. This thing cost. Which kind thing be this one? Wait, make I come out the gum.
You did the pain. Are you serious?
God.
Is she that naive?
Girl, naive is an understatement. That girl, she's so timid. When she was even narrating the whole thing to me, I was so annoyed and very upset. God! You needed to see the bone straight Milton got for this girl. Very expensive. With this very expensive nail. Do you know what she ended up doing? This girl cut the whole hair with scissors. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. It was now looking God. I was even the one that helped her to remove it.
I'm just scared though. The day Milton will find out you've been coming to his house.
Really? And who is going to tell him? You?
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner.
Whatever.
Hi. She should have just waited for me to come and collect the wig. I think Milton should enroll her in a school. She's just too timid for her liking.
Low class dirty thing.
But why everybody call the pepper you now?
Sorry.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Anyone, just find yourself, place and for where you belong.
How are you?
I'm not doing fine. So you leave me for money, you know, so I the first, you know, they talk to me. You just leave me waka.
It's a reverse now. Because how you carry the treat me, don't reverse me. You save it. The way when you treat me, don't reverse me. Me too, no fine.
No be you wake up for morning, you see, I know they happy. You just leave me waka.
Because I know they happy too. But make me no just go there, sha. You cook anything?
I don't cook anything, I dey vex. My heart dey hurt me, I know you sabi cook anything.
If I eat outside, problem. I go still come back for house. No food.
No be why you be man. No say as man you go dey hold yourself, make they come back, they eat.
No wahala.
And why you dey go again now? So you just come back, which one be say you dey come? My husband! Where dey go?
What say? You don't see her for you. Bros, you don't see her. My husband. My husband, if you don't hear me, come out now. My husband. Okay, well done. I beg you see my husband pass here.
No, I don't see your husband.
But you know my husband, be in the art film, in the shine, body they shine, in the fair.
No, I do not see him. We close the gate by 7 o'clock and this is past 10 now. So maybe
but he never take way pass. He never took the way pass.
I do not see him. This is past 10 now. And we close the gate by 7 o'clock.
You don't see him?
No, I do not see it. Maybe you can check the other gate. Yes, ma'am.
The other gate, where in there?
Just follow like this now. You can. This road now, join it by the other side.
Okay, you know there, go fit follow go there.
No, you cannot follow here.
If they are fit pass here, this place,
the gate have already. The gate. No, you can't pass. You can't pass. This is past 10.
But if I won't go around now, time go.
No, you can't follow here. You can't follow here. Just follow like this. This is past 10.
My husband.
Sorry,
See the fine bubble where God give me. My celebrity husband. Anywhere he enter, I stay follow. My celebrity husband. Me, I go shine my eyes and when well. My celebrity husband. If I no shine, I'm all I guess go collect my celebrity husband. Every day I dey worry. Every day I dey cry. I don't want to lose my husband, but women today follow him. How can I content? I want to protect my man, oh. I want to guide my husband, oh. Hey. See the fine bubble where God give me. My celebrity husband, oh. Anywhere he enter, I stay follow. My celebrity husband, oh. Me, I go shine my eyes and when well. My celebrity husband, oh. If I no shine, I'm all I guess go collect my celebrity husband, oh. About me, you to fight.
Husband! Husband, you don't hear me, come out now. I don't even know what this place is. My husband! My husband. You see my husband? My husband follow you for your motor.
Baby? Baby? My love, oh. Baby?
No, you don't come back.
Wait, come, let's eat.
Now you are good, they fine. I go they look for you outside. I don't know say you don't come back.
No be you say you don't get food for me. Now me hunger kill me.
I want to say you go buy food. Now you don't tell me say they go buy food.
Exactly, buy now. Come, let's eat.
I don't really like this thing. This thing will be like cow vomit. This sound they like them.
Maybe like cow vomit. Come try am first. So I go just say you know want to wear never try.
See, no, they always smell well, they smell bad.
Where are you going now?
Where they go now? They follow you, they go work today.
Follow me go which work?
You work now, the work where they do, action.
If you follow me go work, now you dress like this.
No, I know want me this one short. I know want me all those boys where they follow they do action. Man, they see what you don't pay bribe price for. Now they cover am. You know, see this band we buy for me and they carry and this new bag we still buy for me and then the new shoe but I never wear before. Now we move they go.
I know say you don't dey bored for house, abi? You don't dey tired to dey stay for house. Me, I don't dey think self say I go bring person we go, you know, they teach you like adult education. Even me, I been think of computer, make you they do computer. That one go help you, make you know this computer training.
Sorry to appoint you. Computer no go fit enter my head. Anything we do now, just waste your time. Computer no.
I'm sorry to appoint me again. Sorry to disappoint you. Disa, go there and.
Sorry to you.
Disa, go there and. Appoint. Disappoint. So me, I been say I go bring the person and you start from somewhere. But to follow me go work, to go do it in there.
Computer we go come computer the time. Oh, for now work the face, more the face.
No worry. Just there. You get what I go call you, make you help me.
I don't spray the new perfume we forgive me. The perfume they smell. When I go show your friends, say they buy.
I go call you for phone. You get what I go tell you, make you help me do.
But then they no go hear the perfume for phone. I'm not for follow you.
Take care of you.
Why they hug me like soldier?
No, now. Better you don't fuck up. You don't spoil everything. If you no allow am go, you don't spoil am. Ah!
Wait, what's that for you?
Eh? You dey ask me. So all these things why they teach you for free? You know they grab anything? You for follow am. I don't think say make you dey follow am bomber to bomber. You can't leave and the guy come out.
No be like that. So I won't follow am, he no gree. I don't say I won't follow am go when they go, he no gree make I follow am. Now he no gree. I ready where to follow. I don't say I won't come with you. He tell me say make I dey house, make I dey wait for him go come back.
If you no gree make you follow am, you force yourself. Force yourself into the car, bumper to bumper. No space. You know they understand. Now you don't spoil everything. You fuck up. You don't spoil everything. No need again, self. Because if you don't carry one girl, we get bum now.
My own husband. You no go try am. You no go try am. This your clothes fine. All the clothes we wear just dey fine.
You like them?
I like them.
All this thing are good though, not be small something.
Yeah, they very cost.
Not be small money.
Hey. Yeah, so what I go for? You know, say I carry you come outside because you don't get light. I know when make heat they touch this your body where they shine.
I don't want to chop anything at the verse. This thing way you do, you don't come on me. I'm not happy again. If I don't get appetite.
But I tell you, say I go they do one now. Why can't they cry past the grief? I mean they get the issue. Me they cry now.
I'm worried about you because you're my sister. I know they carry you play. Now sister love. You just say I just they work out, they go people house, they teach them this kind of thing. No. I know they do like that. I just get this special love for you. Now I they put body for you like this. So not be say I did jobless or anything.
I don't hear you. I go they follow. If you want go out, I go follow and they go out. We go they come back together. Eh?
If you like no follow, I go follow bum now.
I go follow. Yeah. I go follow.
Hello, guy. Milton. Guy, what did they happen now? You don't see your time. You are here to come to work. Everybody is waiting for you. And you know that in this particular location that we are filming, we have just like 2 scenes without you. And they're shooting the second one already as I'm talking to you. Your wife? If your wife wants to come to the location, to the movie set with you, why not? Allow her, come with her. There's no problem. I understand, but you should not allow family to disturb your work. Guy, they come. You know, say na me and you get everything, and like this now, we don't dey work anything. Come, no, we do am. No one. Everywhere good. I dey wait for you.
Come out inside car now. What's happened?
I don't tire to stay for car. I don't on AC off. I don't tire. Plus, I want to go.
You want to go? Maybe you say you won't follow me come.
I don't follow you come now. Only me won't follow myself go back. I don't go feel wait for you. I don't tire. How many action you don't do since morning?
We don't do like that kind 7. We go remain 20.
Eh? 20 action? Now what you go to do today?
Yes, sir.
Hey, nine be so they go for midnight now. You know something they like waka for night. Night they fear me, and they like day for outside for night. That's how
but
they
me and you follow now. Just you say you won't follow me, so you go relax. So make I walk.
No, and I no go feel relax. I want they go. I no go feel wait for you. That's how they go.
You go how?
In fact, I no come here before. I no even come in the first place. Make
come make we day for you.
No,
come
I no
make
go fit there. I won't go. May I go dey sleep. Make they do your action. And carry the key. I no go there. I no go there. They go here. Begin your action.
Wait now.
Action now. Wait till you get. I no go fit wait.
Wait, you hold transport? Sleepyhead. Too late.
Action. Hey.
I don't dey go work.
My husband. Where they go?
I don't dey go. You know they follow me go work today.
I don't dey go.
You don't tire.
Where you dey? They shot action for my head yesterday. I no fit sleep. Every time I would hear action for my dream.
I don't dey go work. She say the work easy, abi? This say easy.
Don't kiss anybody for work, yeah? Tell them say don't marry. If anybody want hug you, tell them say no they hug. You want no? Bye, oh. This actors they try you. If that Nancy come here today, I go tell her say I know they go again. And I don't go use my eyes. See, yesterday I know they get myself. I just dey my whole body they pain me. I no go again. I'll tell her say my husband work no dey easy. Me my husband they face the work, mine they face my own. Sister Nancy, I tell you, I just hold myself since yesterday. These people they try you. The whole day I just sit down there, so they call, they go, they shout, they talk. I sleep, I wake up, I sleep, I wake up. What I not do? You get one time I go sit down for car, oh. I call the wait, say maybe they don't come say don't finish shoot. Nothing happen. As I spend the whole day there, these people, these actors they try you. It's no easy at all. I come out and give my husband. It's no easy. How?
Anyways, it's actually because it's your first time. You know something where you just go just like that. You know go grieve for body now. But as time goes on, you go, they go. You go master your body. You get?
I'm not sure I go keep go that place again.
You go master.
Me, I no go.
You go master. You won't lose your husband.
Maybe I won't lose my husband, but it's no easy. It's very hard. It's very difficult. It's very stressful. My husband they try. No, I come out cab give am. They try. Make it just face if he work. They go make I day my house. If I day out, they relax. They do my things why they do. If you want come back, make carry me shake come for me. And they okay. How they go again? No?
That one na your business. That one no be why I come. I came because I have a vital information for you. Very important.
What's happening this time?
Ebere, I thought I've warned you not to be allowing your husband to be going to these small girls' parties.
Yes. I tell my husband, say, no, they go. He tell me, say, no, they go. No, they go anybody party again.
You sure?
Yes. Since that time, see, I never see him go party. No, they go party.
Okay.
He promised me, say, no, they go any party. No, they go party. Abi, you see her for party?
don't know. The thing be say I get friend. We follow that your husband, they do that their acting thing. And the guy say he get one girl wey be your husband friend wey get party tonight and the girl do bum. And I don't know whether your husband go, but they say 2 of them go this night. And the girl self be your husband friend. Then I can say, make I no come stay like this now. Bad thing go come do my friend. Make I just come tell am.
My husband get friend when I get.
I don't know. Now wetin the guy talk? I don't know.
Eh? My husband no go. We no get any friend wey be woman. We won't follow and go any party.
The thing be say the way the thing come dey now, it come be like say your husband dey cheat on you.
Don't talk this thing again. No talk am. No talk this way talk now. Wait till me say my husband dey cheat on me.
No, the way the guy come dey talk am, he come dey like say na cheating.
No talk this thing. E dey vex me, abeg. Sister Nancy, no dey talk this thing.
Anyways,
no dey cheat on me. I no dey like am. This thing now go dey vex me. Which one be say my husband dey cheat on me?
I don't hear. But now this night, we go know. If your husband no come out, na him be say you know they cheat. But if he come out, they cheat on you.
Nancy, fear God now. You know it's Daniel's birthday and he has to be there. Daniel is his very good friend.
And how is that my business? All I know is that I am doing everything within my powers to convince that local girl that Milton isn't good enough for her.
This is not right. Allow this girl to enjoy her marriage and stop confusing her.
Amanda, I am not understanding you. Why is it that anytime I gist you about this local girl, you begin to take her sides? Why?
The poor girl don't even know you are her husband's colleague.
Well, I don't even have your time because I am so happy that one of my plans is going to mature very soon. And when it matures, I will have this very magnificent result. I am so happy.
And I pray that your plan will not come to pass.
Oh my God. As they pain them, it dey sweet us. As they sweet me, it dey pain them. As they pain them, it dey sweet me.
Hello? My husband. I dey fine, no, I dey fine. How you dey now? I know verse, yeah? I want to say when you dey come back house, I know when you go come back, so I go know when I go begin to do your food. Who be that girl with the talk? Hello? He got the call. We get one girl why they hear her voice where they there. Hey. This girl talk this thing, no. Nancy talk am. Hey. He won't follow those girls go that party. Hell. Should I tell Nancy, may carry me go there do this bomb? He will follow those girls go with them to bomb. Hey. Oh yeah. I'll wait for him, he come back. He go come back now, he go tell me where he go. She don't leave me now, he know the carry girls where don't get do nyash.
I love you. No one else can take your place.
What's going on?
What's going on? Where they come from? Say what's going on? No be you are they call they tell me say they busy. You don't go party. You don't go party now. You don't go the floor that girls.
Hey, I just came back now. Is that the welcome you're supposed to tell your husband? What's this?
Which welcome you want? No be want make I put flower for you. No be party they come for you. No give you welcome for party where you go. You go they carry women. See your clothes they smell.
You know what? I don't give a damn about this. What bullshit? You can go back to your parents' house if you don't mind. What the hell is wrong with you? Every time I come back to my house, I won't have rest of mind. What's going on?
I know that so many girls will be around me because of what I do, baby. I don't care. No matter what them do, matter we go act and play. But not there we go end. Nothing else matter. Money fair, if me. I love you no matter what them. I give you assurance. You're my insurance. No one else can make me feel like you do. I give you assurance. You're my insurance.
What is it?
No one else can take
Huh?
your place in my heart. I give you assurance. You're my insurance. No one else can make me feel like you do.
I want to tell you, sir, I did very sorry for what I do. But that the thing where they do now ain't no good.
What I really do? Eh? Because this your attitude don't tire me. I not tell you say they go down a party. I told you, babe, I'll be going for this party. Now I finished from work. Instead of coming home to get you, I said the venue of the birthday parties is close to the location. Let me quickly present. I didn't even stay long there.
Which person get the party?
Daniel, didn't I tell you it's Daniel?
I don't want to make the shot for me, but I don't believe this one. Now they tell me say now all those guys will get big and shine and that party where you go.
Who tell you?
Them.
Who be them? Who be them? Because just the talk what no make sense. No be the pictures of the party be this. No be and be this. Eh? No be and be this. Look the date. No be the same clothes I wear be this. What's it mean them? What you mean that?
Now this person, this one. What does she do for your phone?
Which one? Who be that?
This one now, Nancy where they come here. Now Nancy be that now. Now she they tell me all the bad things where actors they do what they use they bring trouble for you. Now you know her.
Are you serious? Nancy.
Hey Nancy, now my friend, she they come here every day now.
Nancy they come here.
If you can't go work now, she go come. She dey come here every day, me and the tongue. She dey tell me all the bad things when they do for the action house.
Are you for real? Are you for real? How did you meet her?
For that shop where you carry me go, they buy things where they use cook. As I go to the shop one day, she just see me. She tell me say she like me. Say she like this my hair what I do. Say she go like make I carry and go I do the hair. I can't tell her say na me do the hair. So me and her come be friends.
Nancy. Okay. Everything is clear to me now.
You know her?
Everything is clear to me now. See what you do for me, eh?
Yeah.
Anytime she comes here, call me. Just look for a way to excuse yourself and call me on the phone. Okay?
Okay, if she come, make I call you.
If she come here, just call me on the phone.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I will call you when she come.
Come sit down.
Okay. Make I come sit down.
Bring your chairs.
What if they drink? You know, they drink, you know they come. Okay, and they bring it.
Eh? Is that so? Nancy. Okay.
No go bedroom.
Who is? My friend.
Nancy.
How are you now?
This your clothes fine, oh.
As
You just have
always.
to fit you well.
You know that one already.
Welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
You see my husband?
No.
You and just interpass too. You just pass now.
Oh, he don't come out. Thank God though.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay. Say you want juice, Abby?
Yes, I
Okay.
want juice.
Which kind of juice you want?
Any kind you have is fine. I prefer orange juice though.
Okay. I'm going to I didn't come, yeah? Dance. I don't miss you.
Me too, I don't miss you.
I didn't come. Hey, Sister Nancy. Just how you take too long. See your juice. My favorite, they call that one. So my husband, they call and say, favorite.
You actually brought my favorite. Miss fruit juice. I love. I told you he was going for a party last night.
Confront me for a week.
My husband, don't come back.
Huh? So it's you?
You're not my friend,
Nancy. Nancy. So it's you. You're the one doing this. Nancy. I'm talking to you, look at me, so you're the one doing this. Because I refuse to date you.
Eh?
Nancy.
Date you?
Your plan is to break my home.
Please.
So you're the one doing this.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you'd be home by this time.
God punish you there. God punish your generation.
You know her before?
You see, this low life here is an actress. She's my colleague. She's been disturbing me for us to have something to do together, and I told her it cannot work. So you now devised another means to hurt me, to break my home, right?
Hey! Is that Nancy? Not true?
Let's go now, let's go. Say what? Man, leave. Let's go. Okay. So, okay, on action, you're standing.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, there. Okay, let's go down. Slate.
57, sir.
Don't worry, I'm doing it.
Okay. Say.
Say number 57, sir.
Are you okay? Water, chill. Let's go now.
I think your shirt is...
And bro.
Recording.
Silence outside. Sing.
Say number 57, sir.
And action.
I've told you countless times that you shouldn't be worried about me. I don't even know why you're becoming worried about me.
What? No. Oh, you're supposed to kiss him.
Exactly.
Really?
You're angry, yes.
We are quarreling. Have you forgotten?
Well, I was just trying to be real and deliver perfectly.
Not in this context. You're supposed to be angry.
Oh.
You didn't read your script.
Sorry, director.
Okay, let's take it two now. Let's go. Cut and roll. After a false start, still on 57.
Have we settled in this scene?
No.
We are still quarreling.
Quarreling, yes.
Sorry, it was just a mistake.
Okay. From top. 3, 2, 1. Action.
I've told you countless times that you shouldn't be worried about me. And you should just trust me.
What are you doing?
What is going on?
What are you doing, madam?
Hey.
You're not supposed to go close.
What is going on? I don't understand.
I'm sorry. I thought I was supposed to shout and then kiss him.
Yeah, no, you're not supposed to kiss. You're supposed to shout, don't kiss.
Shout like, am I supposed to teach you your job again? You're supposed to shout like, I don't care who you are, don't stop coming to my... Even the lines are not correct. Check the lines now.
Let's calm down. Let's go. The last take now.
Okay.
Roll it down. Ace. Concentrate. And.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. The last time. Action.
Milton, I just want to apologize for what happened in there.
It's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
But honestly, I was just losing concentration looking at you. And I was just feeling like I wanted to kiss you in real life. I'm heavily crushing on you and I really...
Hey, don't do that now. You're set, please. Behave yourself. Can you be crushing on a married man? I'm your colleague and I'm married, so why are you crushing on me?
I know you're married, but I can be your side chick.
Hey, stop this thing now. You're set.
You don't even get it. I love you, like I'm in love with you.
Wow.
I think about you every minute and second.
Look, I think you're losing it because these people will talk about you and they will involve my name. I do not want this. Respect yourself. You're here to work.
I know you. Wait, let me tell you. I know you're married, but it doesn't mean you don't like me back.
Please now.
Don't you like me?
Respect yourself. You're set.
You mean you don't like me? Hey! Milton, please, I'm sorry.
No, what wrong did I do? I want to understand something. I was open to you. I was truthful to you. I told you, Nancy, this cannot work. We are colleagues. I can't cheat on my wife. If I wanted to take advantage, I would have done that and trash you up. But I said it cannot work. So what did you do? You came to tell my wife so many bullshits that never existed. Your plan is to separate us, right?
Sister Nancy, you did very wicked. I dey see you like better person. You dey come my house, they tell me nonsense. They tell me say my husband they pack women. You dey follow for the women when you want me in the pack. You're a very wicked human being. I swear, you and devil they work for the same office. Eh? I'm not believe you take my friend. You dey act film, you be actor. So you know my husband. You know him before now. Jesus. Now why you dey come and tell me bad things, so make I choose my husband in a very bad way. You're a very wicked human being. You dey very, very wicked. So you, hey,
please, I'm sorry.
And now they see you say but that person, you dey very, very wicked though.
Please, I was just hot. I'm sorry.
Get out. Get out.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, husband. This seems like that one they see for TV now. When I film what they do, in the happen for real life.
This is why you should never involve third party in your marriage.
Jesus.
Imagine.
I never see this coming. Eh?
Imagine, say you don't tell me. Now so she for just bring
Hell.
a beautiful marriage where God gives.
This girl go they come here, she go they run her mad. Say make her they do you bad thing, make her they fight you, make her they give you food, man they come for your action house, they go insult you. And she tell me all those bad things what they do you.
You don't see I'm not.
Hell. Eh?
Look, I will call the president, tell him this thing first.
Eh?
Can a colleague is in this?
You hold president number?
No, our president. Tinubu. No, which Tinubu? President now, Arthur's Gate of Nigeria president.
Guy, are you serious?
I'm telling you the fact, the thing self shocked me. It's unbelievable, my brother.
Wait. I mean, what did she do that for?
That she's angry I left her to marry my wife. Why didn't I marry her? For that reason, she's going to break my home.
I don't understand. But you never dated that girl now.
Of course, I never dated her. She made advances and I told her I was honest. Look, girl, we cannot have anything to do together. Even exception of being colleagues, I cannot. She said I say yes, I cannot. And that's it. That's the crime I committed.
Can you just imagine? What do I call this? Obsession, stupidity, foolishness? Crazy. I don't get.
It's crazy.
I've never heard of such madness before in my life, my guy. And you see, you have to give your wife a keen warning, a very keen instruction that whatever that comes across your house, across her, she should let you know quite in time so that nothing goes wrong.
Yeah, she knows now. She knows better. She knows better.
My guy, he reached to say congratulations. So. He reached to say congratulations. Happy Survivor Day.
But shit happens. Shit really happens.
Some gears, eh?
The obsession is too much. Over the board, bro. Over the board.
Yeah. See the fine baba where God give me my celebrity husband. Anywhere he enter, I stay follow. My celebrity husband. Me, I go shine my eyes and when my celebrity husband. If I don't shine, I'm all I guess go collect my
celebrity husband. You don't come back. You quick come back today. What happened?
You know, like as I come back early.
No, be like that. I just stay happy say you come back. But I want to make sure everything dey okay. Also, you no fight you for work.
No, everything dey okay.
Okay.
I just say make I come spend quality time with my baby.
They like this thing. Good evening, me.
So I don't do bad, Abi?
No do bad, you do good thing.
Okay. I may go inside.
Okay, I don't cook food for you. I cook better food we go eat. Share the hungry. So the food I cook cow meat, goat meat, all those meats with like everything, dog meat, this, everything.
Okay, make I chop food first before I go chop that food.
They like all these things, don't they? Like all these things.
So you mean it is Milton's recommendation that you need for Zico endorsement?
Yes. I found out in the meeting.
You see where your useless character has landed you.
Amanda, actually you can laugh all you want. I deserve it. But the fact still remains that I need solutions.
I'm sorry. I don't have solution. Maybe you look somewhere else. Like, who would have thought you will need Milton's help someday? A guy who did not wrong you in any way, simply because he refused to date you.
Honestly, you won't even understand. I've done lots of wrong that I don't even know what to do to right it down.
Unfortunately, it is too late. If it is Milton's recommendation that you need, baby girl, I will gladly tell you to kiss that contract goodbye. Well, I have some meetings to attend to.
You're leaving?
I'm staying. See you.
This is just the definition of the word. I am finished. God. What do I do now? I don't know. Maybe I should just call him and apologize. He might listen. Milton, please, I'm truly sorry. You need to forgive me. I allowed my emotions becloud my sense of reasoning. Please, just forgive me, please. My God, please, Milton, I know you're a nice guy. You need to help me. This means the world to me, and if I lose this contract, I will just die. Please. I'm sorry. Just forgive me, please. Milton, please, just forgive me, please. Oh my God, this is even more serious than I thought. What will I do now? Daniel, please. You really need to help me. I don't even know what I was thinking.
Can you listen to yourself? I'm so disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed. I mean, what you did was so uncalled for. It was uncalled for. Now here you are shamelessly asking me to go and talk to Milton to help you get the contract. I mean, how selfish can you be?
Daniel, I know everything I did was unnecessary and uncalled for, but I don't even know what I was thinking. Please, you just have to help me. I know Milton is a nice guy. If you talk to him, he will listen to you. Please.
Listen to me, Nancy. That is not possible. I just want you to go home, take this as a bitter lesson that you've learned, because I cannot talk to Milton on your behalf.
Oh God. Dan, please. I know I allowed my emotions becloud my sense of reasoning, but you have to understand that no one is perfect. Please.
Nancy, listen, I know that no one is perfect. Quite understandable. But you see this emotional blackmail you are coming up with? It's not going to work with me. It will never work with me. I only came out here because I wanted to honor your invitation. But right now, I see you have nothing meaningful to say. If you want to see Milton, you know where to find Milton. Excuse me.
Dan, you're not understanding. God. It's obvious I'm going to lose this contract. God. Please, I'm sorry.
Please, I'm sorry. So your voice will come down like this. You go here, they sharp your mouth and go and kill your husband. Follow and they go everywhere. God. I thank God say they serve God. If I don't know God now, this woman for just make my husband leave me, go outside for nothing. I thank God say they serve God. See as you just find for outside, no nothing. You just find for free. Your inside they very black. You're a very wicked human being. And I can't believe you. Oh. Hey God. See, if you know. Oh yeah, they go.
Maybe, see, you can insult me all you want, but all I'm asking is for your forgiveness. Please help me apologize to your husband, please.
You don't even get shame. After everything we do, you still come they ask for favor. Nancy know the shame. Shame know they catch you. You still come they ask for favor. Hey, you're a very dangerous weapon. Men suppose they fear you. You're bombastic. You did very evil.
Please, just understand me like your sister.
Who be your sister? Look me and you be like one. What's it make us be sisters?
Baby, I beg, no verse. Calm down. Sorry now. I beg.
I beg too. Calm down, no verse, they go. And you they beg me, I they beg you now.
Beg me.
I beg.
See.
Please, now.
I beg, just forgive me.
I beg, just forgive me. There they go.
Please, now make
Please
you understand
now.
me.
Please, no understand me too, yeah? This is now understand me and you they do for this one. Just they go, yeah, your own don't do. You're a very wicked human being.
Nancy, you really need to calm down. Eh? I just hope you don't get high blood pressure because of this.
Amanda, what do you mean? My whole life depends on this deal. How was I supposed to know it was Milton that would sign the recommendation before I get this deal? How?
You see what I've been telling you? Eh? Okay, let us imagine that you succeeded in breaking his home. And then you find out that he's the only one that can recommend you on this deal. I mean, your key to success. What will you do?
Oh my God, can you stop? I can't even comprehend what's happening already. I'm going crazy. Can't you see?
You know, when you do things sometimes, you reason. When you point a finger at someone, you think, what if this finger returns back to you? What will you do? You need to fix this mess.
Honestly, I've tried talking to his friend Daniel. He didn't even accept to help talk to him. I don't even know what to do.
I will not.
Why are you adding more salt to the injury? Why?
I'll leave you to ponder over it. Excuse me.
God, what do I do now? Because everybody has left me. What do I do? I'm finished. God, please, you need to help me. This still is my life. You need to help me. God, what do I do? What do I do?
Look, guy, I will not appreciate you bringing me out here because of Nancy. I won't take that.
My guy, Milton, I beg. I know you are very upset with what she did. Who wouldn't be? But I beg, just forgive her.
Guy, you just dey talk this thing like saying they're normal. Is it because she didn't break my home?
Thank God she did not break your home. Thank God she did not succeed. Eh? And that's why I keep saying the same thing. I beg, just forgive that girl. Make she carry her evil wahala, they go her way. Make you just move on with your life, I beg.
Ha. Honestly, I don't know what you think of this, so just don't really just tell me. I don't know how I'm taking it, to be honest.
Please. You know, say, God don't do him part. She did not succeed. We as humans, we have to do our part. And your part as it stands is to forgive her. Render her the help. Render her the help that she needs. And let her go.
Well, truly she's remorseful for what she did. It's coming from her heart. I'll look into it and know how best and what I can do.
My guy, I know say you get a good heart. I know you have a good, no be you again, Milton. I know you get a good heart. Just forgive her. Forget about her. Make she just dey go. Make she dey go. Don't hold on to it. Don't sit on that. I beg. You hear no verse. I know say we don't conclude this one.
Did it work?
Nah, just to go through social media.
Okay. You dey happy? Abi no dey vex?
Happy. What's happen?
I wan beg you for something. I no wan make you dey vex before I dey beg you.
Okay. What's in that?
My husband, I wan beg you say make you no dey vex for Sister Nancy. I know say the thing wey she do, e no good. I know say na devil dey use am, but I wan still beg you make for forgive am, make dem forgive am that contrast.
I don't understand why everybody they beg me. Daniel don't beg me. What's happen? Why everybody they beg me make I forgive her?
Because we know if you carry her for mind forever. Then don't say if they carry people for your mind forever, good thing will they come your way. Now only bad things will they come your way.
But you know what that girl do?
I know.
If no be God, we for don't separate too.
Now why mommy use that same God me for forgive her. You don't say pastor don't say we have to be one another housekeeper. Now
They make you speak the one way you sabi.
Na pastor have to be one
another safekeeper.
Housekeeper. No be me talk na
pastor. No be even only this one will happen. No. Now this thing happen now, other things where that girl they use me talk on, they just spring up. Go they lie give director. She don't lie give director. Say so many bad things about me for my colleagues, directors, producers. So I know be better person.
You be better person. Yeah. Me and you know that one.
Oh, but that girl fuck up. I don't lie. That girl fuck up. Really fuck up.
No the verse now. I just want me forgive her. I dey pity her and she before she go come, she could talk plenty things. She did good before devil come to use her. I don't want me to carry her for mind because she be a good man.
Oh well, no, I don't forgive her.
You don't forgive her?
As you don't put mouth for the matter now, what do you want me to do?
I'm beside your real wife. Oh.
She dey crazy, Abby.
I go dey talk, you go dey hear. How the love they do you? They do you, Abby?
No way.
You love me. Oh, yeah, hold me if they love me.
I beg me.
Hold me.
I'm not any sad.
Put your hand for it. Let me go the road now. I'll be your wife. Let me marry you.
So many girls will be around me because of what I do, baby. I don't care. No matter what them do, bata we go act and play. On a day we go end, nothing else matter. Money fair.
Hello. Milton, are you serious? Milton, thank you so much. Thank you. God will bless you. God is going to bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God. God. This guy has such a nice heart.
I give you assurance. You're my insurance. No one else can take you.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Yeah. Whoa! Say hello to the latest millionaire in town. Cheers, baby girl.
Cheers. Well,
Cheers.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy you finally got that deal.
Oh, hi. Thank you so much. Thank you for standing by me, girl. Thank you.
Welcome. I hope you've learned your lesson. So, we are going for shopping properly.
You and who? You want my millions to start reducing? Hell no, girl. I am not funding your lavish lifestyle.
What do you think? When I have $1 million as a friend,
I'm not buying you anything.
You
Stop
are
wasting your time. Girl, I am so happy.
I'm happy.
Like, I didn't know I was going to achieve this, honestly. But come to think of it, don't you think I owe Milton and his wife an apology?
Nancy, stay away from that family, please.
I don't mean like friends. Like, I want us to be in talking terms and be sure there is no bad blood. Girl, don't you think so?
No. Nancy, stay away from them, please. Stay away. So, let's continue our Celebration. So when are we going for the shopping?
There's no shopping, girl. Cheers again.
Wow.
I will tell you, say, 18 minutes. Make I pick two, abi? This one I just they play. So now this thing you say you go use win me. Yeah. Ayana, watch out. General market, collect one. General market again.
No, there's not
supposed collect something. No,
what's supposed to give me all those ones?
Continue. Remain to.
Why you call they give me the car where they be?
They play my fans. Waiting me that. My friend, no, they play like waiting me that. Fine girl like you, they do Ojiro. Play something where? Play one game. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Pick to Alaska. Check up.
No, I'm not going. That one now Ojiro will do. They cheat.
Which guy? Everything they play now. They play the show. No be having this.
No, we're not agree. Don't shoot me.
She doesn't cry. My friend Daniel, you get one get together where you say, make me and you follow come. Beg me, say I beg if I dey come, make I bring you. So I want if we dey go, make you, now, you dress fine. All those fine gowns what I buy for you. Now I want make you wear.
Those ones they bring out breast for outside.
Which I mean, bro, no be me and you follow the. I beg, leave me. Make you wear them for me. At least I no go bother you with nails and hair. Just your natural, beautiful self. Now I want to make you just wear for me.
Let me see. They tell me say I did beautiful.
You know that before. Now today the year. My baby fine now. Village girl will fine past city girl. You're the best thing that I really want. I love you. I wish you give me the chance to prove myself again to you.
I know, but it's really hard for me to trust you again. It's difficult.
I just need you to give me time.
That's not the same. That's not the same. You're supposed to come close. Once she says that, like, you stop her with a kiss. That's the problem.
Director, me, I can't kiss her.
I don't understand. You can't kiss how?
Let's end it like that.
Kiss her. Kiss her. I don't repent. I don't repent for all my sins. You know, so I carry new shoes. The night be say the old don't go, the new don't come. I'm not going to disturb you. I always see they put food for our table, so I'm not going to disturb you again. Kiss her.
Are you sure?
I don't repent.
Thank you. Just come out. So on action now, pick up from that your line. Shut her up with that kiss. Let's go now. Let's go. Take two now. Really? 3, 2, 1. And action.
I know, but it's really difficult to trust you.
What? Stop now.
She still take her line. Yes, the line.
Before that her last line, just kiss. And second take. After a forward start. And action.
I know, but it's really difficult to Lovely.
Thank you. Next.
You have really changed though. You allowed me to kiss. Hey. You know, say even when you tell me say make a kiss, I no agree. I just said I set up.
No, I mean now. From the bottom of my heart, I mean I made a kiss. And because I don't get anybody where they give me bad advice again. I don't repent from all the bad advice where they come meet me that time.
You sure? So why you cover face when I kiss?
Why no agree me, sir?
Why no agree me, sir?
Yes, I love you. And I want me the ways they happy. Now why are the ways you meet at it?
Me too, I love you. Now I want make you always be happy. Now why I no agree kiss? Till you say make I kiss.
But you can't, no say you go first to say no before you to say yes.
I talk no now.
Okay, yes, talk. But you can't kiss and you can't enjoy the kiss with the kisser.
No, how you go talk like that? I don't enjoy any kiss. Mama not even did there. Now only my wife, your own, now they enjoy. You don't know. I shock her. She say make I kiss.
You sure say you no enjoy the kiss wey you kiss her?
I can talk like that. I don't enjoy any kiss.
I love you. No one else can take your place. You are my sunshine. You are my light. You make my world spin around when I see your smile. I gave you assurance. You're my insurance. No one else can make me feel like you do. I give you assurance. You're my insurance. No one else can take your place in my heart. In my heart. I know that so many girls will be around me because of what I do, baby. I don't care. No matter what them do, but we go act and play. On a day we go end, nothing else matters.